believe that you can have a new year, but it don't mean jack diddly if you don't have a new mind. I'm telling you that you can buy a new car, but if you put the old man in a new car, you're still gonna have the old experience.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stephanie with the Y. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you're new here, thank you so much for tapping into today's video, and I do hope you become part of the familia as well. And so let's just jump right into it. You're most likely here for the same reason I am. We are here to reset our lives into 2023. It's a new year, very cliche, new year, new me. Yeah, but I don't care. I need this reset. Personally, I need this reset real bad. But everyone says that. Yeah, everyone says to get up and work out for a reason, okay? And I'm not even just talking about working out. It can just be stretching and abs. It can be yoga, Pilates, anything. Taking a walk. Any physical activity, you just need to move. CDC literally just said 1 in 2 adults don't get enough physical activity. That's tragic. That's scary. And yes, we are candle lovers over here. Candles are very, very relaxing, and there is evidence that certain scents such as lavender and jasmine can slow the heart rate and lower your blood pressure. So yeah, if it smells good, I will spend $20 for it. Okay, I probably won't burn it all day. But step 2, journal. I'm honestly super shocked at how much this has helped me last year, and I mean on like almost every level. This is beneficial for your self-confidence, for your health, for your mood, for self-discovery, all that. And listen to this. The people who journaled saw the biggest reduction in symptoms like depression, anxiety, and hostility. This was true even though 80% has seldom journaled about their feelings. Imagine that. Man, try it. And for the third step, we are decluttering. Declutter everything, baby. Okay, we are starting brand new. Throw out the old, bring in the new. Donate, give, do whatever you gotta do. Because honestly, I'm pretty sure Beyonce's house don't look like this, as crazy as mine does. And if I'm a queen, she's a queen. Why, Steph? Get it together. And it's funny because they say that your environment is a reflection of your mental peace. And that's probably why I've been struggling a lot last year. I can't even lie to y'all. But we can start all over again. And that's exactly what I'm doing. This, as I said, is going to be a series because it's not a one and done. You have to do these habits on a daily, even if it's just stretching, even if you are just cleaning for 20 minutes. But doing something to help you stay on track is key. And like I said, this is a reset. We're resetting everything. That's including your mindset, ladies and gents. So if you are ready to take 2023 with me, become the better version of you, and just reset, make sure you hit that subscribe, baby. We are in this to win it.